Hello everybody and welcome. If you want to top up your Wise debit card and use it to spend money abroad or online, this video will show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Everything will be explained clearly and simply. And if you don't have a Wise account yet, there's a link in the description to sign up for free. By using that link, you might also get an exclusive free money transfer offer from Wise. Let's begin. To top up your Wise debit card, you first need to make sure you have a Wise account and that your debit card is already activated. If you haven't activated your Wise card yet, you can do that easily through the Wise mobile app. Once your card is active, you can start adding money to it. The money on your Wise debit card comes from your Wise balance. So when we talk about topping up the card, it means adding money to your Wise balance. You can then use your card to spend that money just like any other debit card. Open the Wise app on your phone or log into your account on the Wise website. On the home screen, you'll see all the currencies you currently hold. Choose the currency you want to top up. Most people use the currency of their home country, like US dollars, British pounds, or euros. Tap or click on that currency. Now look for the option that says Add or Add Money. Tap on it. You will now be asked how much money you want to add. Enter the amount you'd like to top up. Then, choose how you want to pay. You can usually add money using a bank transfer, a debit card, a credit card, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay in some countries. If you choose a debit or credit card, the money will be added instantly in most cases. Just enter your card details and confirm the payment. Wise may ask you to verify the transaction, either through your banking app or with a security code. If you choose a bank transfer, Wise will give you the bank details to send the money to. You'll need to open your banking app or website and send the money using those details. Bank transfers may take a few hours or up to a day, depending on your bank. Once the money is added to your Wise balance, it will automatically be available on your Wise debit card. You don't need to move it again. You can now use your card in shops, online, or withdraw cash from ATMs. The money will be taken from your Wise balance in the correct currency. If you're traveling or spending in another currency, Wise will convert your money at a low exchange rate with no hidden fees. That's one of the best features of the Wise card. Remember, if you're new to Wise, you can sign up using the link in the description. It's free, and by using that link, you might also get a special offer for a free international transfer. That's everything you need to know to top up your Wise debit card.